Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a lot happening out there in terms of Ripple and XRP price predictions. I absolutely love these, but we've got some very interesting ones coming out today. 39-month cycle says that the XRP is obviously poised to break out to $1,000. Very interesting chart analysis right there. Who owns the XRP ledger? Very, very interesting. And of course, we have Ripple announcing the XLS30 AMM. Ripple partnership actually teased by the Australian Director of Trade and Freight, which is really interesting as well. And Ethereum rivals may not recover in the next bull run. I don't know about that, but let's have a look at this. And of course, we've got an update from a former BlackRock manager right here saying that there could be $17.7 trillion coming for Bitcoin, which is absolutely insane. I'm also going to go over my crypto day trading bots, my grid bots, and obviously giving you updates on X, which is going to be very interesting. So let's get into the video, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there or on the side on the desktop. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. This is for entertainment purposes only. I should say educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. I'm going straight to the community tab. My voice sounds really husky. I sound like a newsreader right now. It's just insane. Anyway, we have the crypto bots, which are doing incredible on OKX, and they are an official partner of the channel. If you follow me on Patreon and go join up with that, you'll be able to get the links to those and basically follow them along. But absolutely crazy right here in terms of TRB. I'm up 277%, which is insane. And the start date was actually on the, what do we call it here? It's only been like a week, so it hasn't been long. Trading WLD or World, that's 42% return. Optimism right here is up 18%. I've got IMX Monero up 14% as well, and Casper's up 14%. I've got many, many others obviously partnered up with 3 Commas as well, which also are an official partner of the channel. So working both with those, incredible stuff. Now, altcoins up in the portfolio are pretty much the same. XYO was doing incredibly well. Veracity, Nextra, LCX, and Ubix Network. And I'm going to go through that in a moment as well. So let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy and sell my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below for this because they are an official partner of the channel. So please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in Bitcoin if you do use that. But it's, of course, with this stuff, do your own research. Now, prices are in Aussie dollars. Everything else set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at $44,000 today. Ethereum's at $2,600. You've got XRP at 83 cents. Solana's at $37. You've got Doge at 9 cents. Cardano's at 41 cents. We've got Toncoin at $3.35. I am trading that using my bots. Polygon Matic's at 89 cents today, which is really good. You've got Polkadot at $6. We have Chainlink at $12 as well. Let's go through the banking coins only. 17 cents for XLM. My chair is just really annoying. I think I need to get a new one. Hedera's at 7 cents as well. Moving down, Utility, VeChain, and Bullish on that's doing nothing for months. Quant is up nearly 1.6% today to $144. Scrolling down, Algorand's at 16 cents. XDC at 7 cents as well. Of course, we have my other favorite banking coins down here. IOTA at 25 cents. And we also have Casper at 5 cents as well. Very, very dark in here, isn't it? There we go. Let's bring the light in this place. There we go. Awesome. Anyway, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, before I do, I have the Wall Street Bull University links below. This is my official Patreon page. I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, grid trading bots, my futures day trading bots. I've got full 15-minute videos in there on how to set all this stuff up, and it's really, really bullish, guys. And thank you to those 326 people. You guys absolutely rock. 1,267 posts is a lot of information, and that gets posted up daily. Again, I've been pretty busy over the weekend, so have been communicating with everyone in there, and I just put up my incoming dividends for... which again is a very important thing in my investing journey, which is dividend income, and put up the upcoming dividends. There's one in there which is absolutely insane. But anyway, I love it. So much better than Discord because I can talk to everyone in there directly, and it's just a bullish community, guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Now, let's go to OKX, who are an official partner in the channel, which is incredible as well. This is my actual account, 14,269 Australian dollars. I'm down on the day $71. The market's a bit flat at the moment. I do have a lot of bots and trading going on. On the week, I'm up 403, 2.81%. On the month right here, I'm up 14%, which is 1,800. And of course, if we go to the 6 months, it's 964%, which is $14,872. Mind blown. And again, I honestly anticipate this to go parabolic in the next 6 months. And there's a reason being because, you know, obviously when there's a bull market in full swing, you know, commencing towards the end of this year, and I don't use high leverage at the moment, these will continue to work for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, making income. So buying low, selling high, 24 hours a day. Now, let me go down here. You can see I've got 172 positions open up. Now, this is using 3 commas. Trading bot software. Now, if I go to the app on 3 commas, there is a full video on how to set all of this up. They're an incredible trading bot software, and I've been using them for a very long time. About 2 years, I'd say that I started using 3 commas, which is incredible as well. You have the full app here. You can check up on everything and basically run it on your phone. And these are all the pairs I'm trading at the moment. Single pairs with the top 50 altcoins in the market, and using 15x leverage. Basically, I would recommend that you set this up on an iPad or computer or PC, whatever you've got. It's a little bit difficult to do it on your phone because you need to see the full screen. But again, if you have no other option, you can basically use all of the 3 comma software on your phone if that's all you've got. So it doesn't really matter. But you can basically check up on everything here and keep an eye on it. So I've got multiple bots set up, which are incredible. And basically that works in conjunction with OKX. You can use this on KuCoin, Bybit, Binance, but again, the only thing is with doing that, you cannot trade with leverage on any other exchange in Australia in particular, but OKX, and I'm incredibly bullish on OKX. Now, I do have positions open up here, of course, on long positions. I've got long and short, and I just want to show you the actual profits that the bots take. It's very interesting right here, but you can see right here, Optimism up 7 USDT. That is basically a closed out position. And if I keep scrolling down, you can see all the profits that it's taken on the shorts, the longs, basically trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, as you can see right here. So again, small profits, but consistency, and you do get some larger ones. As an example, with Chainlink right here, 7 USDT, which is roughly what? Around about nearly 10 Australian dollars. That closed out on the 9th of October, which is today. So it'll wait. The bots actually wait until they're in profit to obviously, you know, cash out. And I've got my bots set up on 3 commas at 1.5% profit. You can vary that whatever you like. So pretty incredible stuff. Now, moving just purely based on OKX Exchange, because they do have incredible bots that you can actually use. And by the way, I just want to point out that I do trade with leverage, and it is extremely risky. I do not recommend it at all unless you are well and truly prepared to lose that money, because it's happened to me many, many times. Now, Chainlink, I'm up 5.3% on 110 USDT investment, 5.8 USDT. Solana's doing quite well on a 275 USDT investment right here. I'm up 8%. That's 24 USD. Scrolling down, my Bitcoin bot on the long is down because the market is obviously down. Now we've got XRP at 25% right here. I'm up 7.8 USD. Scrolling down, Casper's up 14%, which is really, really nice. Again, we have Chainlink, another one that's up. This is my most craziest bot, and it's TRB, and I'm up 279%. That's 139 US dollars or USDT on a 50 USDT investment. Which is pretty crazy when you think about it. So again, if you put $100,000 into this, you'd be up $100,000 on top of that 100K. So you've basically made double your money, and of course now 79%, as you can see right there. So it's just insane. It's unbelievable. Absolutely bullish. Now, IMX as well, 13.49%. We have World, again, 42% right here, 21 USDT. Optimism as well, 18.54. So very, very bullish stuff happening in the Patreon, guys. Go join up to that. Now, crypto bubbles, it is a sea of red. And this is to be expected because the market's flat. It is Monday. It is Monday. Yes, it is. And the markets are quiet around the rest of the world. So it's still the weekend, Sunday night. I don't think many people are trading unless you're using bots. Now, pretty much all I see here are buying opportunities like Chainlink, $7.57 USD at the moment, down 1%. We also have Casper down 2% today at 3 cents USD. Very, very bullish on Casper. Axie Infinity, I mean, I do hold this, and I was enjoying the passive income being earned from this at 45% APY, which is just insane. But thank you to the Australian Securities Regulator for stopping staking, you idiots. Ugh, idiots. Anyway, it happens. We got to work through it. Now, we've got XDC also up, down, 0.7% today, 4 cents. This is an incredibly undervalued project, in my opinion. Not many people are talking about it. And, of course, XRP right here, down 1.5%, 51 cents USD, which is nice. Now, moving on. This is a very interesting article. I was reading this afternoon, but 39-month cycle says XRP price is poised for a breakout to $1,000. If that happens, look out. It's going to be life-changing. But Synonymous Crypto Analyst right here, Never Wishing, on TradingView, has presented a rather convincing 39-month cycle trend that often ends in XRP price seeing a significant rise. And the last time this trend was completed was back in mid-2000, just before the 2020 and 2021 bull market. And when this trend was marked 3 years ago, it ended up XRP price rallying from 17 cents in June, obviously $2, and in April 2021. Since then, another 39-month cycle began counting, and once again, it has reached the point where the surge is usually occurring. And in the chart presented by Never Wishing, the expected price jump this time will be less than 2020 and 2021 trend, and more like the 2017 and 2018 jump. And in 2017, when the 39-month cycle jump took place, XRP went from obviously pennies to $3.30 at its peak, meaning a 66,000% jump in price, which is madness. However, the analyst expects even more explosive growth, with XRP price going from around 53 cents to $1,000 by the time the rally is complete. This means more than 188,000% rise from its current price levels. Now, $1,000, what's that? That's roughly around about maybe 1,500 Australian dollars for us Aussies. So yeah, look, it's going to be absolutely wild. And this is the chart. Absolutely crazy right here. So we're at the 50 cents level, as you can see right here on TradingView. And basically, yeah, the 39-month cycle, it's basically, everything's ready to go up in value. So bullish on XRP, cannot understate that. Now, this is an interesting one, but who actually owns the XRP ledger? And a federal judge in the United States recently rejected the SEC's request for permission to pursue an interlocutory appeal on Ripple and their partial win. According to the ruling, the SEC did not give enough evidence to warrant revision of the ruling. And interestingly, court documents on the rejection seem to have cleared up confusion regarding Ripple, XRP, and the XRP ledger. And this confusion stems from a close affiliation between Ripple and XRP, as a payment company is the largest holder of the coin. While Ripple created and originally developed the XRP ledger, court documents show that the XRP ledger is an open, decentralized system that the payment company does not own or control. It is not centralized. I've known this for a very long time. And the XRP ledger code is open for developers and validators to build on, not Ripple alone. And the SEC also failed to prove enough connection of the XRP ledger to Ripple. There you go. I don't understand why they're even continuing. Now, I've seen on Twitter today that there are settlement rumors going on. That's been flying around all over the place. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. We also have Ripple announcing the completion of XLS 30 AMM, which is going to be interesting. And obviously, Ripple is one of the leading cryptos that have ambitious plans for the future. Since its launch, the network has been upgrading itself with new solutions. Recently announced, obviously, the completion of its much-awaited XLS 30 upgrade, which is underway for some time. Now, many users know about this update, but many others don't have a clue. So let's figure out why it's a big deal. On October 7th, The RippleX team announced that they had completed the XLS30 upgrade. Obviously, you can see right here, this upgrade was designed to induct basic DeFi features into the network. According to the team, it has been stress tested and ready for mainnet activation. And after the implementation, the update will be trading liquidity, cross-asset swaps easier, and reportedly, it is most crucial of the upcoming Rippled 1.120 upgrade. Very, very interesting. It will be a major technical advancements to the entire XRP Ledger ecosystem. XLS30 is not only introducing a spectrum of new features, it also is deploying new transaction types. All in all, it's giving a major overhaul to the existing payments engine. I wonder why. Very interesting. Now, of course, more Ripple news, because I'm very, very bullish on the project. Ripple partnership teased by Director of Australian Freight and Trade Alliance. And speaking at LeChang YouTube channel, TGL, Zali revealed that he doesn't understand much about the blockchain, but his son is very much does. All about the blockchain stuff. I don't get it, but I admit I'm trying to understand it. Now, again, this is interesting right here. Keep moving. Sorry about that. The Australian Freight and Trade Alliance director further revealed that Ripple Labs had approached his organization some time ago when the court case of the US SEC was still in limbo and obviously in summary judgment and had not yet been handed down. Due to this, the FTA initially rebuffed Ripple and stated that the fintech company should come back when there is regulatory clarity, which there is. And I'm not an expert on blockchain, but I understand that Ripple approached us some time ago, but at the time they were fighting a legal battle in the United States. And our position to them, our position to them was come back once that is all sorted out. Anyway, they got a good result in the US court case and they approached us again. Of course they did, because they want to make more partnerships and build up even more. Now, this is interesting right here. Many of Ethereum's rivals may not recover in the next bull market, by a Bloomberg analyst. And I'm very interested to see what happens with this, but he basically says the alternative smart contract platforms are facing a number of headwinds and threaten their survival, including inflationary tokenomics, excessive block space, and Ethereum's rapidly growing network effects. That's because of Gary Gensler. Even though the total amount of fees generated by such blockchains is on the long-term uptrend, the analyst says that most of the chains could easily fade into the obscurity over the next several years. And despite the current bear market, block space demand is in long-term structural uptrend. However, the crypto industry is plagued with serious issues that are entirely of its own making, and it's possible that only a tiny subset will be relevant in a few years. Utility is king, making that very clear. Now, this is where it gets crazy, but a former BlackRock manager says prepare for a $17.7 trillion inflow into Bitcoin if this happens. And obviously you can see here, but Bitcoin could see an influx of $17.7 trillion from institutional investors as former BlackRock manager predicts an imminent approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States. And while some market players have dashed the hopes of the SEC approving a spot Bitcoin ETF, others have been optimistic. And according to the former BlackRock managing director Stephen Schofield right here, the spot Bitcoin ETFs are on their way into financial institutions within a timeline in the next 3 to 6 months. $17.7 trillion. I don't think anyone can comprehend that. The total market cap in 2021 was $3 trillion, or just a little bit above that. So yeah, things are going to get pretty crazy in this space with $17 trillion. It's going to be a lot of money coming in, guys. That's why I'm preparing accordingly and stacking my bags. Not financial advice. Now, buy flow, we've got money going into Bitcoin. We've got Solana, Chainlink. We have Arbitrum, Ethereum. We have Dogecoin, Tron, BCH, and I'm not too sure what that is there. AMB, I have no idea what that is. But anyway, let's go to X, ladies and gentlemen, because I want to get through this. And thank you to those 5,507 people. You guys absolutely rock. If you're not following me on Instagram or Twitter, or I should say X, make sure you do, guys. The official links are below. And yes, on Instagram now, I do have the blue check as well as X. I keep saying Twitter. Now, Mags, it's time to accumulate, not panic sell. Absolute facts. Now, this is the video that on my TikTok that got 4 million views when I put this up. So this is crazy. This is Ashton Kutcher gifting Ellen DeGeneres like millions of dollars in XRP. Have a quick listen. So I'm going to fast forward.
Person to person.
Called me on your birthday. I was like, wow, she's calling me on her birthday. Is everything okay? And you wanted to share with me this incredible story, the gift of a lifetime that Portia gave you. And I promised you on that call that I'd be there to help you. And we are brothers, and we're here to help you.
And so we talked to Chris and Brad, and we said, there's this amazing human being. And all they ever do is think about other people they can give to. Whether it's in New Orleans, whether it's in Montecito, whether it's the people that come here, or the people out there, You're always thinking about everyone else. And we wanted to show you that people are thinking about you. So, on behalf of Ripple, we'd like to give you $4 million. Now, usually people come out with the big giant check and do the big giant check thing, but we can actually transfer it into Rwandan francs right now, right here, and all we have to do is push this button and it's in your account. Do you want to push it? You want me to push it?
I would like to push it. I'd like to push it real good.
Bingo.
Just like that, $4 million US. Crazy. Now, Crypto Geek right here again saying that it's the XRP prices, glitched at $22 US. I don't know. I didn't see it. Let's see what happens there. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 50 right now, which is neutral. And yes, that is Gary Gensler, legit looking like Mr. Burns. It's really creepy, actually. Now, again, interesting talks have been going around, and I don't know if this is true or accurate. I have to look into this, but apparently rumors are going around that Judge Torres is pushing Ripple and the US SEC to work out a possible settlement. I don't know. She may be very, very bullish, of course, and she may be holding XRP. Who the actual hell knows? I don't have CoinMarketCap open. I'm actually going to open that now. Here we go. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we've got the total crypto market cap today sitting at $1.09 trillion, $18 billion in volume. It's really, really low. 49% Bitcoin, and of course, 17% Ethereum. Would love to see that get taken over by XRP. Top altcoins in my portfolio. The full list goes up in the Patreon every single morning. Well, apart from the weekend, because again, I went out and had a few quiet ones, but with my mates at the monster trucks, which are incredible. But every single day, very, very prompt with that one, guys. So again, join up to the Patreon. Of course, I've got my banking coins list, which is utility only. Again, I'm dollar cost averaging into these ones every single week. And of course, Solana is in there because I think that's going to be a massive Ethereum competitor. But that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed that. Make sure you join the Patreon. His links below, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Hope you have a good evening, a good afternoon. If it's morning, good morning. Have an espresso. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. And I'll speak to everyone in the community tab, Instagram, and of course, the Patreon. All right, that is linked below. Shout out to OKX and 3 Commas. You guys absolutely rock. Peace out, guys. Bye.